Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice Olympiad problem that is x minus 4 whole to the power 6 is equal to x to the power 6. So we need to find all possible solution of x. Now starting our solution here, first of all we are going to just shift this x to the power 6 to our left hand side. Then x minus 4 whole to the power 6 minus x to the power 6 is equal to 0. Now this x minus 4 whole to the power 6, this 6 can also be written as x minus 4 whole to the power 3 and to the power 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. Similarly, we are going to perform same step here, that x cubed whole squared, that is equal to 0. Now we see that it is a nice algebraic formula, that is a squared minus b squared. So here we know that by algebraic formula that if we have a squared minus b squared, then it is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So using here, then we have, it is our a, which is x minus 4 whole cubed. So x minus 4 whole cubed, it is our a, and b is x cubed, so plus b x cubed. Now a plus b, and similarly a minus b will be x minus 4 whole cubed minus x cubed, which is equal to 0. Now we see that here we have two possible cases. So if we write our case 1, which is, that is x minus 4 whole cubed, x minus 4 whole cubed plus x cubed is equal to 0, and our case 2 is, case number 2 is that x minus 4 whole cubed minus x cubed, that is equal to 0. So now solving our case 1 and case 2 respectively. So first of all we are going to solve our case number 1, that is x minus 4 whole cubed plus x cubed is equal to 0. So here it is actually our a cubed plus b cubed. So by algebraic formula, that if we have a cubed plus b cubed, then it will be equal to a plus b times a squared minus a times b plus b squared. So applying this formula here, then we have, it is our a, which is x minus 4, and b is x, so a plus b times a squared. So a squared, here we have x minus 4 whole squared minus a times b, so x minus 4 times b is x, and plus b squared, which is x squared, that is equal to 0. Now here we have plus x and plus x, we have 2x minus 4 times, here if we expand x minus 4 whole squared, it will be x squared plus 4 squared, which is 16, and minus 2 times 4, which is 8 times x. Here we have minus x times x is minus x squared, minus x times minus 4 will be minus minus plus 4x, and plus x squared, which is equal to 0. Now here we have 2x minus 4 times, here if we just cancel x squared with minus x squared, then we have x squared minus 8x plus 4x, we will get minus 4x, and plus 16 is equal to 0. Now here we have two possible cases, that 2x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x squared minus 4 times x plus 16 is equal to 0. So in first case, this one 2x will be shifting minus 4, we will get 4, and dividing 2 on both hand side. So we have x is equal to 2 to the 4. So we have the value of x, which is 2. It is real solution, that let's say it is our x1. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula here. Now x squared minus 4 times x plus 16 is equal to 0. Here we have value of a is 1, b is minus 4, and c is 16. Now using quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. Now using these values of a, b and c, then we have x is equal to minus times minus 4 plus minus minus 4 whole squared minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 16 all over 2 times 1. The value of a is 1. Here we have that minus times minus is plus 4 plus minus square root of minus 4 squared, that is equal to 16, and here we have 16 times 4. So if we just multiply that 16 times 4, we get 64. So that is 64 all over 2 times 1 is 2. Now x is equal to 4 plus minus, here 16 minus 64, it is equal to 48. So here we just write that minus 48 all over 2. Now our next step will be 4 plus minus, this 48 can also be written as 16 times 3, and here it is minus 1, so we just put minus 1 here, whole square root all over 2. Now x is equal to 4 plus minus, here we have 16 times 3, so if we just write separately these terms under square root, then we have square root of 16 times square root of 3 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. Now x is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 16 is equal to 4 times square root of 3, and minus 1 square root is equal to y all over 2. Now if we take 2 is common, so here we have x is equal to 2 is common, so 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 3i all over 2. Cancelling this 2 with 2, we have value of x, which is, let's say, x2 and x3, that is 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 3i. So it is our value of x, which is second and third solution of x here. Now we are going to solve our case 2 here. So our case 2 is x minus 4 whole cube plus x cube is equal to 0. Now here our case 2 is that x minus 4 whole cubed plus here not plus but it is minus x cube is equal to 0. So it is our case number 2. Now solving this one, as we have a cubed minus b cubed, then we know that a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. So applying here, then we get that our a is x minus 4 and b is minus x. Now a squared mean x minus 4 whole squared plus a times b means x minus 4 times x, and plus b squared, which is x squared, that is equal to 0. So our next step will be here, if we just cancel plus and negative x, so we have minus 4 time here x minus 4 whole squared. If we expand this formula, so we have x squared plus 4 squared is 16, and minus 2 times 4 is 8 times x plus x times x is x squared minus 4x plus x squared is equal to 0. Now here we see that we have actually this x squared plus x squared plus x squared, so we will get 3x squared. Now here minus 4 multiply by x squared plus x squared plus x squared, 3x squared, minus 8x minus 4x, we will get minus 12x, and here we have plus 16 is equal to 0. Now here if we divide both hand side by minus 4, then it will be cancelled on our left hand side, and then we get 3x squared minus 12 times x plus 16 is equal to 0. So now it is nice quadratic equation. We have to solve this by using quadratic formula. So for this purpose we are going to write a, the value of a, which is coefficient of x squared, that is 3, b is minus 12, and c is 16. So now using quadratic formula here, that x is equal to minus b, which is minus 12, plus minus b squared, which is minus 12 squared, minus 4 times a is 3 and c is 16, all over 2 times a is 3. So here we have x is equal to, that is x is equal to minus times minus is plus 12 plus minus square root of minus 12 squared is equal to 144, and minus here we have 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 16 is equal to 192, all over 3 times 2 is 6. Here we have 12 plus minus 144 minus 198, we will get minus 48 square root all over 6. Now we have x is equal to 12 plus minus this 48 can also be written as 16 times 3 and times minus 1 whole square root all over 6, that is equal to 12 plus minus square root of 16 is equal to 4, and square root of 3, this minus 1 square root is equal to I, as we have just done these steps earlier in case 1, so it is not difficult, all over 6. Now if we just take 2 is common, so we have 6 plus minus 2 times square root of 3 I all over 6. Here 2 1 is 2, 2 3s are 6, so we have x is equal to 6 plus minus 2 times square root of 3 I. So let's say it is x4 and x5. Now we have solved that 5 different solution of x, which is our final answer. Now we just write here our answer here, that is, here we have our value of x1, which is 2, so x1 is equal to 2. It is our first value, which is real value of x, it is real solution. Similarly we have x2 and x3, that is complex solution. Here we have x2 and x3, 2 plus minus x2 and x3 is 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 3I, and x4 and x5, that is 6 plus minus 2 times square root of 3I. So these 4 solutions are actually complex solution and one is real solution. So we have 5 total solution of x, so it is our final answer. Now we are going to just check our entire solution here step by step. So I hope you have understand all these steps one by one. So if you have any problem, any doubt, you just ask question in comment box. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.